form. So your xn, you got this one, xn equal n equal plus minus say plus minus 3, n equal minus plus minus 3, and the amplitudes are there in different form. So let us take amplitude are 1, then 1 minus 2 also 1, then I am considering from minus 3 to plus 3. Okay, all are minus 3 means n equal this one, n equal minus 3, n equal minus 2, then n equal 1 minus 1, then 0 also 1, then your 2, then 2, then 1. Okay, this is your signal xn, this is your xn, and this xn can be written in this form. And how you can understand this one? For that purpose we use this so xn xn equal 1 1 1 1 2 2 1. The earlier signal which you have seen that can be written in this form. This arrow mark indicate the point of 0. This arrow mark indicate the point of 0. From 0, this one is minus 1, this one is minus 2, this one is minus 3. So from before 0, all the amplitudes are 1. And after 0, the amplitude at 1, this is 2, at 2, this is 2, and at 3, it is 1. So your signal can be expressed in this form. This is called sequential mode. This form of expression is called sequential mode. This xn, you know, this xn equal 1 when n equal minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and 0, and 3. Again, x n is equal to when n equal 1 and n equal 2. This one is called functional mode. This is called functional mode. This one is the sequential mode, and this one is your functional mode. And another form is your tabular form. This tabular form,
স্যার আমার একটা কোয়েশ্চেন আছে
follow.
স্যার এই সিকোয়েন্সিয়াল মোডে যেরকম আমরা কমা দিয়ে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করলাম স্যার, যখন আমার কাছে এই এরকম টাইপের কোনো ডেটা দেওয়া থাকবে, তো স্যার এখানে মানে যেহেতু টাইম ইন্টারভ্যাল -3 -2 -1 এরকম স্যার ইউনিট ডিস্টেন্সে চলছে।
These are not time interval. These are not time interval. These are the value of n, discrete form of value that is n. Specifically -3 থেকে -3 +3.
তো স্যার এই n এর যে ভ্যালুটা স্যার এখানে তো মানে মানে ডিস্টিংক্ট এরকম -3 -2 মানে ইউনিট ডিস্টেন্সে চলছে স্যার। তো স্যার আমি ধরলাম যে -1 থেকে -1 থেকে 3 এর মধ্যে নেই, কোনো ইন্টারভ্যালই এর মানে সিগন্যাল হয়নি, আবার 4 এ গিয়ে অ্যামপ্লিটিউড 3 হয়ে গেল। তো স্যার ওই টাইমটাতে এখানে রিপ্রেজেন্টেশন আমরা বুঝবো কি করে স্যার যে কোন টাইমটাতে মানে ডিসটেন্স আমার ইউনিট ডিসটেন্স কিনা স্যার?
Okay. Suppose here, let us consider at -2 it is 0. Say.
Yes sir.
Say your question is, suppose this at -2 it is 0. Then
Yes,
you have
sir.
to write this one at 0.
Yes sir.
But each and every point from
Yes, sir.
the -3 to +3, each and every point, 3, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to all this point you should write your the amplitude value. If the amplitude is nothing in that region, say at the region of -2 and -1 there are no amplitude, then you have to write 0. If it is the amplitude may be minus figure also, that time you should write the -1 or -2, whichever it is, or -5, whichever it is, the amplitude value. If it is the plus value, you should no need of mention, you know that no need of mention of sign. If it is minus value, then you should write the minus. Okay.
Okay.
It
Which means
indicates
in an interval, sir, at every point on that interval, we need to mention the amplitude, even if it's 0 also.
Exactly.
Okay.
Each point of interval, that is your scale, should be continuous scale.
Okay.
Your scale should be continuous scale. The scale should not be random scale. It is should be continuous scale. It may be started from 10 to -10 to +10, or it can be started from +2 to +10. Then
Okay.
you should